What's up, everybody? About to start dialing here in a minute. If everybody can mute themselves. Full screen. Make sure everybody's muted. Muted. Okay, guys. So, if you're watching the replay, welcome. Glad to have everybody here. Let me turn off. Oh, I can't turn that off, so I'll just have to let everybody in. Okay. Let's get started, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and start dialing, and I'm just going to get started. So, let's roll. All right, so I'm going to be calling cell phone shops today, and kind of making, partnerships, letting them know what I do, stuff like that. And this is an area that I'm moving to, so just trying to make some connections. That's the main point of this, and we'll go from there. 713-941-2202. Sorry if it's hard to hear.
Hey, man, I'm calling it there.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Pretty good, pretty good. How about you?
Oh, I'm doing good. Hey, I was calling in because I was wondering. I know you guys are a repair shop, but do you guys buy phones too?
Yeah, we buy for repair, yes.
Oh, you buy them for repair?
Parts, for parts, yeah.
Oh, you buy them for parts? Okay, I got you. I was just curious. My name is Chris. I actually own an electronics business that buys electronics. So I'm just trying to make some, connections in the area because I'm about to move out there. So I was just kind of wondering what you guys did in regards to people looking to sell their phones.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
All right. Well, maybe I'll stop in one day, introduce myself. Maybe we can collaborate a little bit. How does that sound?
Okay, thank you.
No problem, man. Bye. All right. So repair shops are kind of different. Quite a bit different, actually, because what I've noticed in the past is a lot of repair shops, I don't know, they have a big issue with like competition, and they don't see it as like a way to, I don't know, work with each other. Kind of weird, but anyway. So let's see. I'm gonna put that guy as go in and visit. All right, go to the next one. Notice how awkward it kind of got whenever I said what I did, right? 2 3257.
Fix and repair.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how about you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I was calling in to ask, do you guys buy phones?
Which one do you have?
I was just kind of generally asking because I actually run a reselling business. So I was thinking maybe we could possibly collaborate or something. Maybe I could come in and introduce myself.
I can give you the number. I usually don't I already have a person that I buy phones from and stuff like that.
Sure, yeah.
Which I don't. It's the owner. I'm just the manager at the store.
Yeah.
And I have your number. Let me give him your number. I'm gonna be able to give him your number probably like a week because his mom just passed away like a day or two before.
Okay.
and they're good for like at least a week or two.
Yeah. Yeah.
So give me like a week at least. I will forward his number to your number to him, and then he can definitely contact you about it.
Gotcha. So you guys don't buy phones at your location? Is that how it goes, or?
I mean, I do buy phones if a person comes and walks in like a customer and
Yeah.
he has like a phone that he wants to sell and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look into the phone and stuff like that, and I will buy it from him. But like on a larger scale, like imagine if I have a customer, he wants to buy a specific phone.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna call the guy that I have who usually sells me phone and stuff like that.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I work a little bit differently. I usually buy mostly like broken, damaged devices, and that's kind of the way that I run my business because I sell everything online, right? And
Okay.
and I have bought from repair shops in the past. Inventory, old inventory that they have, they got to get rid of, stuff like that. Every repair shop typically has that type of stuff. So anyway, I'm about to move to the area. I was wondering if maybe I could just come in, introduce myself and say hey and kind of go from there. Does that sound okay?
Sure.
Fantastic. And what was your name?
Adam.
Okay. Let me if you don't mind, I'm gonna write that down just so I know.
Sure.
And I'll come in and visit probably sometime later next week. I got a lot of pawn shops and stuff to hit up, but
Yeah, no problem.
thanks for your time, Adam. And
Thank you.
I'll see you next week.
See you next week.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll go visit Thursday. Okay, You Break I Fix. I know You Break I Fix does not buy phones, because they typically don't.
Thank you for calling You Break I Fix. For English, press 1.
Oh gosh.
For Spanish, press 2. Thank you for calling You Break. This call may be monitored or recorded for training and quality purposes. For store hours, press 1. For store location, press 2. To get a price quote or
Okay. Let's do Gadget MD. 2. 4. 1, 4.
Hello, please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Christopher Schroeder. Hey, how you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I was calling in because I wanted to see if you guys buy phones.
Yes, sir. What kind of phone you have?
I was just calling in because I actually run a reselling business myself, and I was just wondering if I'm just trying to connect with other people in the area, if that's okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah. What about that?
Awesome, cool. What's your name?
Omar.
It's what?
Omar.
Omar. Awesome, man. Do you resell a lot?
Not really, but yeah.
Gotcha. Do you have a place that you normally sell the phones to, like eBay or a direct buyer or something?
Yeah, actually, we feel like so definitely.
I'm sorry, you're breaking up a little bit, man.
I'm sorry. I'll say we're selling it for customers. Like customer comes in, asks for a phone, we sell it for.
Oh, gotcha. So you only do local sales?
Yeah, I mean we can do eBay and all that, but most likely the phones go quick whenever the people comes in. Like we don't have like there comes a chance to sell on eBay because people comes quicker than eBay.
Gotcha. Okay. So say if I was to bring in a phone, you would buy it? Like,
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Well, I just wanted to connect, and maybe I'll come in there and introduce myself one of these days, and we'll just kind of go from there. Sound good?
All right. That'd be great.
And you said your name was Omar?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, dude. I'll write that down, and I'll come in and introduce myself to you.
All right.
Thanks, man. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Smartest Rehab, I called you.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Hey, I was just curious. Do you guys buy phones?
Oh, no, we don't, sir. We just do repairs.
Okay, so repairs only. Okay.
Yes.
So the reason I'm asking is because I actually own a business that buys phones and electronics. Do you guys
Okay.
have anywhere to send people, if they come in and are looking to sell their phone to you?
Sometimes, yeah. I usually send them down to a friend of mine's store that they do buy them there. But where are you located at?
Yeah, so I'm actually mobile, and I'm actually about to move to League City. I'll be there in like 3 days. So I can always come in and introduce myself. I run a mobile business, so
Okay, yeah, that's fine, man.
Cool.
It's all have choices for people to sell their phones.
perfect, man. Yeah, maybe I can come in and drop off some business cards.
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect. And what's your name?
I'm John.
John. Okay, cool. So I'll swing in probably next week after I'm done moving in, and I'll just introduce myself. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll see you
Awesome. Thank you, John.
there. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Love the stores that don't buy phones because that gives me the perfect opportunity to put in some business cards and stuff, and then they'll send people to me. Works out perfect for me. All right, AYZ cell phone repair. Eight, 32, 52, 98. Hey man, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I'm calling because I'm wondering, do you guys buy phones?
What kind of phone you have?
So I was just calling because I actually run a reselling business myself, looking to collaborate with some other places around the area. I was just kind of wondering if you guys did buy phones, like cracked and damaged ones.
We do, but we just buy them for parts.
You just buy them for parts.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys ever like sell those broken phones back out, or?
No, usually we don't.
Okay, so you just keep them in the store.
Yes.
So what if I came in and I know every repair shop has like a death pile of phones. Would you guys be open to like selling those in bulk or something?
Not really, because ours are broken. We already have everything on it.
Gotcha.
So basically, it's not worth it.
I gotcha. Okay. Well, either way, I might just come in and introduce myself next week. I like to collaborate with other people, and I like to send a lot of people to repair because I don't repair. Like that's not what I do. Right.
Okay.
Like I do not enjoy it. So I might be able to send some people to you. So
Okay, sure.
and what's your name?
It's Hamad.
Ahmad. Okay.
Yes.
All right, Hamad. I'll probably be in there sometime late next week, and I'll just come in and introduce myself, man.
Okay, sure.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Thanks.
All right. Two.
Open repair shop?
Hey, how are you doing?
Good.
Hey, I was calling in because I was wondering, do you guys buy phones?
Yes, we do, but my boss is not here right
I
now.
gotcha. Okay, gotcha.
If you give me a call like around 2:30 or 3, he should be here.
Okay, I gotcha. Thank you. Bye. Hang on quick. That one. So 281. One thing I have noticed about repair shops too is they're really short on the phone. They don't upsell or anything like that either. Kind of interesting. 488. It's almost like they don't want to be on the phone with you. It's really weird.
How can I help you?
Hey man, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Hey, I was calling in because I was wondering, do you guys buy phones?
Yes, we do.
Awesome, good stuff. Hey, my name's Chris. I actually run a reselling business as well, and just looking to collaborate with a couple of other repair shops and stuff in the area. You guys do repairs too?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Hey, is it okay if I come in next week sometime, introduce myself, and by the way, I don't do repairs in my business. Can I send some people to you that might need repairs?
So you want to come to do business or sell something? I'm not getting what you're trying to do.
Yeah, for sure, man. So I run a reselling business. Like I buy used, damaged, and broken electronics, but I have people all the time that hit me up asking if I repair stuff, and I don't. Right.
Okay.
So is it okay if I send those people to you?
Okay.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. What's your name, man?
Abdul.
Abdul. Awesome. Well, I'll probably swing in next week, just kind of introduce myself if that's okay.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. I'll put your name down and I'll come in probably late next week around Friday. Okay.
No problem, sir.
All right. Thanks. Bye. Abdul. I'll go visit him on Friday. You guys notice how short these people are on like the phone with me? It's crazy because yesterday with the pawn shops, people would actually talk to me. Very, very interesting. 281 804 58 52.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Good. Good. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. Hey, I was calling in to see, do you guys buy phones?
What kind of phone is it?
Yeah, so I'm actually calling because I actually run a business as well that buys phones. I was just wondering if maybe we could like collaborate a little bit. Do you guys do repairs?
Yeah, we repair too.
Is it okay? Because I get people all the time in my ads asking if I do repairs. Is it possible that I can send people to you for repairs?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Where are you calling from?
Yeah, so I live in League City, and
Okay.
my business is mobile, and I just buy phones, MacBooks, iPads, smartwatches, and stuff like that.
Okay.
Used, damaged, and broken. I just like to collaborate with people, and you know, is it okay if I come in next week sometime and like introduce myself possibly?
For sure. No problem.
Awesome, man. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike. Okay. All right,
Okay.
Mike.
So
I'll
when
probably.
we come in the mall, I can just give me the call. I will show you the exact location on it. Where am I?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. It says the mall kiosk 5551.
Yeah. It's the front of the Louisa.
Gotcha. Okay. Cool. Thank you,
All right.
Mike. I'll be in
No
there
problem.
sometime
You're
next
welcome.
week.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Is it?
know.
Hey, how are you doing?
All right.
Hey, is this Tech Wrap? Cell phone repair?
For this.
It is. Hello?
Yes.
Is this Tech Wrap?
Who is this?
This is my name is Chris. I got this phone number online.
No.
Okay. Sorry, I must have the wrong number, man.
No.
All right. Sorry about that. Put that red because correct. Okay, next one. Phone repair guys. 7. Hello?
Hello.
Oh, sorry, man. I can barely hear you.
Yeah. What's up?
Hey, is this the phone repair guys?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Hey, how you doing, man? My name's Chris. Hey,
Yes, good.
I was calling in to see if you guys buy phones.
You can buy them.
Awesome. Cool. Me too.
Okay.
Yeah, my name's Chris. I have a company that buys used, damaged, and broken electronics as well. Hey,
Oh, if you're like a company, you have to contact my manager. He's at your location.
I gotcha. Okay, well, I just kind of wanted to introduce myself and maybe come in next week.
Okay, man.
Maybe your manager will be there at that time. Maybe around like.
No, he's normally at your location. It's going to be on Friendswood. You can go to the Sunset Drive. You can have note of the address. It's going to be 1544 Sunset Drive.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, man.
Okay, sounds good, man.
Right, so just go visit that one. That's open here.
The person you have dialed is not able to receive calls at this time.
All right. Well, they're going out of business. U-break fix. I'm going to I'll have to go into the U-break I fix locations because it's all automated. I'll have to put that in yellow. All right. So Tech Authority is the next one. 281 724 44.
Thank you for calling Tech Authority of Webster, your expert repair center for smartphones, tablets, and computers. For store hours and location, press 1. To speak with an associate, press 2. To learn more about the products and services Tech Authority.
Hello? Oh.
The person you are trying to reach is on the phone.
Go on to the next one. Okay, 222. 224. 0. Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good, sir. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Hey man, I was calling in to see if you buy phones.
What kind of phone is it?
I was just calling in just to see. I actually run a business that buys, used, damaged, and broken electronics as well. I'm looking to collaborate with a couple of other, places in the area, if that's okay.
Okay. So, will you be able to send me like the pricing thing, everything?
I don't have a price list. I just appraise based on like, what the device is. Cause I buy a lot more like, laptops, computers, stuff like that. Yeah. So I do, but I buy phones obviously, but I actually get a lot more with the other devices. But I always like to.
Broken devices or just the working one?
No, I buy broken as well. Yeah.
Broken as well.
But
Everything.
yeah, pretty much everything except locked, damaged, like locked and blacklisted, right?
Mhm.
But hey, I wanted to ask. I know you guys are mostly like a repair shop. I get people all the time, in my ads asking if I repair stuff, and I don't. I do not enjoy it. So,
Okay.
is it okay if maybe I sent some of those people to you?
Definitely, why not?
Awesome. Love that, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, I like to collaborate, and if you guys got any, used, damaged, or whatever, in the back or something, maybe we can collaborate on that a little bit.
Oh yeah, I'll save your number and I'll get back to you.
Love it, man. And what's your name?
Johnny. And
John.
what's your name?
Chris.
Chris. All right, Chris. So yeah, I'll get that.
Awesome. Hey, I'll come in and visit
All
you sometime next week in person, if that's okay.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Beautiful.
Fantastic. Thank you, Johnny.
All right. Thank you, Chris. Thank you.
Yep. Well, as soon as you break I fix, I have to go physically to that location because of their automated crap. Let's do it. Next one, 2-1. 573. 5148.
Please leave your message for
I think they're probably not in business or something. Okay, moving on. I don't know.
Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Christopher Schroeder.
The Google subscriber you have called is not available.
There.
your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice.
All right. Got 2 left.
Teletech. Steve.
Hey man, how you doing?
Doing okay. What can I do for you?
Hey, I was wondering, I know you guys mostly do computer repair, but do you guys buy phones?
No, sir.
Okay, I got you. Do you guys ever have people coming in asking to like cell phones?
No, not at all. Your best bet is trying to sell it on the Facebook market.
All right, appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Salvador,
Hey man, how you doing?
I'm okay.
Hey, I was calling in because I was wondering if you guys buy phones.
Okay, what are you trying to sell?
I was just kind of wondering since I actually run a reselling business in League City. I was just kind of looking to collaborate with repair shops, other people who buy and sell phones and stuff like that. So I was kind of asking if you guys did that.
No, dude. I'm on the verge of freaking shutting down the store. Yeah, so.
Do what?
Yeah, no, we don't.
Okay.
Sorry.
Do you guys have anywhere to send those people, whenever they do come in with phones?
What's your name again?
It's Chris.
Chris? Dude, no telling. Just keep doing what you're doing. Just go and call people.
All right, man. Thanks.
All right. Good luck,
All
sir.
right,
Bye.
bye. Yeah, that was rude. Okay. All right. So in the end, here's what we did. I had 21 places to call, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 places to go visit next week in person and introduce myself and possibly buy stuff while I am there. That's how I always do it. The key with the cell phone shops is just kind of let them know you're coming, introduce yourself, and kind of go from there. You never know what kind of deals can possibly come up. But I've scored with a lot of repair shops in the past. So it's really it's all a numbers game. But it's also a good way to extend yourself, let other people know that, because I used to have a couple of repair stores back in Beaumont that the first place I created my business, and they would send me people all the time. It was great, right? So the point of calling these is not to make a deal right then and there, right? Of course, you can do that, right? But it's just to kind of introduce yourself and go in and then introduce yourself in person, then talk it up, right? Create an extension of yourself and that other person, put your information in their brain. That way, when somebody does come in, can be like, oh, well, I know a guy, right? That's all we're trying to do here. Okay. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. See you later.